Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will play with motorized spinner again from Paintpourstore. I will put link into the description box where you can buy it, and I will use the split cup to pour some paint in. So I poured the white in my first chamber, and this is fluorescent green by Amsterdam. And next one, I believe that it's ultramarine blue. It's kind of hard for me because I'm doing this on my floor, because my table were shaking when I did this on my table. And this is, I believe, Funk or Purple Rain, Funk by these little piggy pigments. And I will add Pebeo Iridescent Blue, Violet, and Purple Rain, I think, in this one, or separate one. I mixed my piggies with some polyurethane satin varnish and then with my pouring medium. And what I learned after I saw the results is that maybe I want to use, and of course pearl white, just titanium white. Maybe I should use just less pouring medium and thicker consistency. This is my first time trying to do kind of a wandering split cup pour, and then spin it out in fast rotation, because when we normally do that, we tilt it or spin it out with our hands. So I just wanted to see how it will look like if I spin it out real fast and really hard. I did regret at the end that I spin it out a little too much, but I'm just experimenting, and that's why I like this form of art. I love fluid art because it's so many things to explore, to experiment, to try to do it differently and see. Because, with fluid art is almost like that you capture a second or minute of eternity on your canvas, and you can never do it again. So, and of course with that, if I spin it out with motorized spinner, I can't control. And this is what is another thing that sometimes I think that I want to control the flow or the fluidity of this art a little too much. So I just wanted to spin it out, because I don't see when this spins out, because it's so fast, what is going on canvas, and just waiting for a surprise. So if you are still here, I will let you enjoy the process, and when I will show you the dried results, I will talk a little more about what I learned, how it looks. But I'm really, really happy because it does look like a northern lights, aurora borealis, or however you want to call it. I love it at the end, but still I see some improvement. So come with me on this journey. So here is a close-up of the dried results. So much to learn with this technique, but just want to show you the iridescent and Moira. It's hard to capture on camera, but it's purple rain and blue violet, really. Moira! 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 They're really beautiful. What I learned, my paints were maybe a little thin for this technique. And maybe I shouldn't have mixed it with so much pouring medium, because I think that I should leave them thicker. Moira, but this part is just gorgeous, isn't it? And one more thing, I used too much white and too much paint. So it will be a learning curve for me, but I really think that I can improve and create something even more beautiful. I already like this painting, don't get me wrong, but look at the shimmer. But I can definitely do it better next time. Not maybe next time, but I will play with this because it's so interesting and unpredictable, because I can't control the part when the paint flows. And maybe I will learn to let go with that. So tell me in the comments, do you want me to continue to explore this, or it's just not something that it's worth your time and mine? I will explore anyway. So thanks for watching, and see you again on Wednesday. Bye.